Today we're going to bring a dog mat, and this is perfect for if you have dogs in your house and they're always spilling their food and their water. This is perfect. I own carpet and I have dog food pretty much everywhere. Now this mat, it will not move because it's made from silicone, very strong, durable. Now I do have a puppy that he's a little bit messy, he's eating everywhere, but now this thing keeps all the food intact in together. So very simple to set up, easy to clean, easy to maintain. Now the mat is very durable, very strong. Not even my puppy could have destroyed it. His teeth didn't even leave a mark at all. He was trying to destroy it, but nothing happened to the mat. It was durable, strong. It's something that he's probably not gonna mess around with no more after he just gave up after a while. Then we set it up and he forgot all about it. And it's a great mat for any type of dog you have out there. And it's perfect for puppies.